hot. Y'all who live in countries that actually have a season that's not summer all year round, it must be nice. Hey beauties, it's Viviana, and today, in my heart, in my soul, I really want to continue doing protective styles, but I also miss seeing my natural hair. The conundrum. So for today, we're going to be doing heatless curls with this $10 Amazon curlers. It's the Octocurl dupe. Like, for real. This is exactly how I got the product, in a unbranded, clear Ziploc bag. So, let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it has like this quilted... What material is this? It's like jug. Oh, you know, like windbreaker, like that material. And at the ends it has these elastic bands, so this is how I'm going to be able to secure the ends nice and snug. So this tool really shouldn't be that hard to use. It should be pretty easy, all right, and straightforward. So it makes sense that it's going to go behind here. Okay, behind here, and then like clasp. Look at my big head. Alright, do you know what? Stop embarrassing myself. Let's clasp it first and then squeeze it onto my big head. Okay. So that means the top of my head is going to be flat. Not too excited. Not too excited about that, but oh, look there. my hair just insisting on like poofing up. Like it's actually trying to squeeze off my head. Oh, yeah, okay. Alright, you know what? Alright, here what? Manage your expectations. Alright, these are just 8 large curls. They're lazy curls. Alright, let's
Okay, if you don't know how to manage expectations, then your feelings are going to get hurt for no particular reason.
Am I going to use mousse today? No, I'm just going to use curling cream. But first, I'll spray on my setting lotion. All the products I use will be listed down in the description box. If you don't see it, somebody remind me please. Is this a lot of product? Maybe. But I want the curls to last as long as possible and to really set in place, okay? Oh, and I want my hair to be moisturized. Now, let's add this back again. Yeah, see, with my big head, this just wants to slide off. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna pin it down. Add it right here. And add another one right here. All right. I'm going to put my finger and part the section right behind the first curler. So that gives me all of this. Thoroughly smooth out this section, because this is the key to nice smooth curls. Detangled sections. Well, detangled moisturized sections. So I'm just going to twist this away from my face and around the curler. So while I'm twisting the hair around the curl off, I'm also giving my hair a little twist. So you see my wrist is twirling the hair. And twirl and wrap. And twirl and wrap. And I feel okay. A straight hair. Then I'm going to hold the ends on the curler nice and secure. And I'm going to bend this up, wrap it around, secure the end, and add the elastic. Well, secure the elastic. Let me tell you a little secret. You see, if the roots of your hair puffy, you can get away with that. More volume. But if your ends are puffy and frizzy, trust me, it can spoil the whole hairstyle. Why? Like, I don't think any of these sections are even. So, I don't know. Manage your expectations. Firstly, applying these 8 curls only took me 40 minutes. Yeah, that might sound like a lot to you, but for me, that's some quick curls. I mean, none of my roots are done, but ooh, you see this dragging? Ooh, please don't tear up my hair. Please don't tear up the front of my head. Me can't take it all. Alright, let's leave our hair to completely air dry and let's see how it turns out in the morning. So I've allowed my hair a full 24 hours to completely air dry. Well, I'm hoping it's completely air dried. First of all, these things were very comfortable to sleep in. And to go to my bed, all I did was to put this net thing around my head. Like, yeah, it's like a net. I think they use it to like tie your hair when you're doing like big roller sets. Yeah, well, I had one and I figured it made sense for this because what I didn't want to happen while I was sleeping is for these little tentacles. Octopus curls. Tentacles. Get it? Get it? Get it? Tentacles to just be, you know, roaming all around the place and causing too much friction and then pulling out. So I'm taking off the mesh. Ooh. Oh, the pin. Alright. By the way, do you guys see that this is fighting to come off my head? Like, the only thing holding this down right now is the fact that it's in the twists. Like, the pins barely did anything. Barely. Ooh, I like how this looks. It's giving cocoon. And it's ready to come off of my head. I am just going to lightly, the lightest fluff. See what I mean? The roots are like flat, but it's okay. It's not that bad, I think. I do wish the curls actually went up to the roots of my hair. But for some quick curls, I like it. You ever want to do a hairstyle like a sleek ponytail, but you want the ends to be curly, or like a, you know, like a puff, like a high puff, but you just want the ends to be curly, and then, you know, it's kind of a waste doing an entire twist out, because then you're going to just end up brushing out the roots of your hair anyways, and end up mashing up a really good twist out. Yeah. I just thought that this would be the perfect solution, because then if I do like a high ponytail, what? Look there. What? My ends are nice and curly, but my roots are nice and straight and sleek. Yeah. Or if it's like a low puff, because then like, whoa. Looking like I did an entire roller set when all I did was to use this Octocurl dupe. Oh, and one more thing before I go. Like, to me, these look like curls that just going to last one day in my hair. So I'm really glad that these are really easy to install and they're really nice to sleep in. So I'm not going to really have a problem to just redo them at night. Anyway, beauties, if you learned anything or if you smiled a little bit, you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to give me a thumbs up and also share it with a friend. If you're new to this channel and you haven't decided from this one video that you want to subscribe, why not? I'm a bit taken aback by that, but it's okay. I'm not going to pressure you, but what I will do is leave some more of my videos up in the iCards so you can watch more, get more familiar with my channel, and then after watching like 1 or 2 more of my videos, you should realize by then that you actually enjoy my content and it just makes sense to subscribe. Okay, beauties, thanks again for watching. Later.